Alright friends, so I just got inside to relax and noticed Miss Athena is in active labor, so we are going to be having puppies tonight. So I might be staying up and keeping an eye on her, but she's definitely in labor. We've got 3 puppies so far. 2 of them we know for sure are girls. The 3rd one she just delivered right now. We're waiting to see if it's a boy or girl. It's still attached, but she's doing such a good job. Puppy number 4 just popped out, and it's another black and white one. We've got 4 babies, 3 girls and 1 boy. And mama and babies are doing great. We're gonna leave them alone right now and we'll come and check on them every couple of hours just to make sure everybody's doing good. But she's resting and so are the babies. Alright friends, so mama is doing good, but we have noticed that she is a little bit on edge with our other dogs that we have that are indoor dogs, and they actually sleep in the living room. And every time they're walking around, because they are curious of what's going on, and she's getting really, really upset. So I'm thinking, hubby and I are thinking that we're going to go ahead and make the move and move her into the other bedroom, our back bedroom that is completely empty, just for her protection and for our other dogs' protections, because I don't need her lashing out at one of them for being interested. They're not going to do anything, but she's a new mama and I got to protect her and her babies as well as my other babies. So stay tuned to the next video, friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well and have a blessed day.